Hey, welcome back everybody. So what you see behind me is an entirely large pile of interior parts, most of which will not fit. So we're going to start our day off by playing a game of what fits and what doesn't. Let's get started. So first up is rear window trim. Nope. Maybe. Maybe. I'm going to break it. Nope, that's not gonna happen. Maybe we'll try in from the sunroof. Nope, definitely not gonna work. Okay. Quarter window molding. Let's see if this will fit. Nope, not gonna happen. Probably not around the back either. Nope, no chance of that fitting. On to the next piece. And the lower quarter window trim. Alright, this one at least seems easy. And lastly, the sill trim. Nope, gotta cut that too. And this is already a given, but we'll just throw it in here for giggles. Center console. Not a prayer. Well, here goes nothing. Can't undo this one. Alright, so I made my first cut extra long, so I'm going to cut away this extra inch material you see here, and I've pulled away the actual vinyl so I can wrap this around back underneath of it and not show that cut edge. So now I'm going to go back and cut this extra inch off. Alright, looks like I got everything all trimmed up. Let's see if we can get them all in the car. We're going to start with this corner glass molding. This takes the most maneuvering to get it in here. Alright, there's that. Okay, now the rear window trim fits on the lower side. Followed by this lower window trim. Well, the glove box fits. Not great, but it's in there. Mostly this wrap on the dashboard is giving me trouble. I'm really thinking I'm going to get rid of it. We're going to go under the kick plate on the driver's side. There is a lower kick panel put in place. Just a small amount of trimming I had to do to get around that down bar. And here is the center console, shortened up. Took about a foot off the back of this thing, and you got the edges rolled around, which turned out okay, but at least the material will hold for now until I decide what else I'm going to do with the interior. Let's see if it fits. Alright, it's actually starting to look like a car in here. Things are starting to come together. However, that dashboard, I gotta do something about that. I can't get the center trim to fit because it's so extra wide where that wrap was put around it. So I need to make a decision. Do I peel off the wrap, try and wrap it myself, or should I just scrap it and come up with a whole new dashboard? Well, there's some interior. It's far from being done, but we're getting there. So in the future, what we had to look forward to is we're going to make 2 door cards, all out of aluminum, as well as some aluminum floorboards, of course, with some bead rolling and dimple dies. So we'll get to that all in good time. All right, thanks for watching. See you then.